In the heart of the Bunya Mountains lived Kinta, a Kookaburra known for her cheerful laugh. It was a laugh that echoed through the trees, carrying the ancient stories of the land. Every 3 years, the animals gathered for the Bunya Nut Festival, a time of sharing and joy. But this year, the Great Bunya Pine stood silent. The festival was at risk, and worry spread among the animals. What could be done to awaken the spirit of the Great Bunya Pine? One morning, Kinta flew to the cool waters where Elder Platypus rested, seeking his wisdom. The spirit of the Great Bunya Pine has fallen asleep, Elder Platypus said. It longs to be awakened by unity. Wise. Bring 3 gifts, Elder Platypus instructed: a Dreamtime story, a welcome dance, and a promise of sharing. With a determined ha ha ha, Kinta soared towards the kangaroo's home, ready to begin her quest. Beneath the sunlit grasslands, Kinta heard the elder kangaroo tell a Dreamtime story of the land's creation. Stanas Mani. It was a story of harmony and respect, perfect to honor the great pine and its ancient spirit. Next, Kinta flew to the wallabies, who were preparing a special dance to welcome visitors. The gentle thumping of their feet created rhythms of friendship and belonging. Kinta promised to carry the spirit of their dance back to the Great Bunya Pine. Finally, Kinta gathered all the animals around the Great Bunya Pine. She shared the Dreamtime story and showed the wallabies' welcome dance. She asked each animal to promise fair sharing of the sacred nut. One by one, the animals agreed, their voices blending in a chorus of harmony. Dun, dun, dun. Suddenly, a soft breeze stirred through the branches of the Great Bunya Pine. The Great Bunya Pine began to shimmer, and one by one, its heavy cones fell gently to the forest floor. The spirit had awakened! The animals cheered, sharing nuts and stories. Kinta's joyful laugh joined the chorus, echoing through the mountains. It carried the ancient stories and the promise of unity until the next Bunya Festival. And so, the tradition continued, reminding all that sharing, respect, and friendship are the true magic. The tradition keeps the Great Bunya Pine alive and the festival joyful for generations to come. Fun fact, the Bunya Festival was an important gathering for Indigenous Australian groups. Every 3 years, people traveled long distances to feast, celebrate ceremonies, trade, and bring peace among communities.